Hi friends, this is Shikhar from Cuttlefish and today's workout is 15-minute high intensity calorie burner workout. Let's go. First 30 seconds, we're just doing a little warm up, light jogging on the spot and arm rotations forward. And back. Next 30 seconds, again light warm up and stretch. Just hold your knee up. Similarly, hold your toes and push it behind you. What we will do today is, we will do 30 seconds as fast as we can, highest intensity of ours we'll put in. And then take a 30-second break. So 30-second work, 30-second break. Let's get it started. So first 30 seconds is leg switches. So what we'll do is, we go down in the push-up position, get your left leg in line with your hands. And then for 30 seconds, we'll keep switching, jump and switch. So this leg goes back, this leg goes forward. Similar. Now go as fast as you can for 30 seconds. And take a 30-second break. Next 30 seconds is mountain climbers, but we'll try to do crisscross. So we go down in push-up position and do crisscross. So let's go. If you can't do crisscross, you can go straight. "30 seconds and break. From legs to core, now we move to our arms. We do 30 seconds of push-ups, but we remember that elbow should be close to body, not like this. So which is a common mistake. So body straight, elbow close to body, and we go straight down. If you can't, touch your nose on ground, nothing like it. Next 30 seconds is high calorie burner, but also it brings very high power to your arms and shoulders. So this is again push-up with a variation. This is called clap push-up. So we go down and this time you will try and clap after doing a push-up. So if you can, try and get entire body in. So I'll show how to get the entire body up. So we go down, push-up, clap and down. So this is the entire body push-up, and then you can also do just the upper body just push up. Or if even this is very difficult for you, just do a push up, tap, tap, push up, tap, tap. So 30 seconds. Clap push ups, 30 seconds. Now next, this 30-second, which is jump squat. So we go down and jump up. So go to back, keep your back straight. Go down, almost touch your elbow and knees and jump up. So this brings a lot of explosive power to your legs, and of course it's a calorie burner. So when we go down, breathe in. When we go up, breathe out. Keep your back straight, look straight. 30 seconds, jump squats, and then take 30-second pause. Hey, so next 30 second is burner for glutes. But remember, the rule is for 30 seconds, you have to go as high intensity as possible. And then we are taking a 30-second pause. So this one is called glute kick-ups. And we go for 30 seconds. We go down on all four, keep your back straight. And you have to point your heel towards the ceiling. So we go up, heel towards ceiling, and down. Alternate. When you get it right, then increase the speed a little. We don't just want to burn the calories. The goal is also to build a strong body. And we are covering entire body, not just calorie burners, but also strength and absolute fitness. 30 seconds and then 30-second pause. This 30 second we are targeting the sides. Very important for everyone. So we go down, side plank position, toe on toes, hip up and body on your forearms, elbows. We go up and now we touch our knees to the elbow. Touch, back. 30 seconds. Increase the speed. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. "30 seconds. We'll take a 30-second break. Now, this 30-second is plank push-up. So we go into plank position and then into push-up position. So again, we are engaging our core and engaging arms and shoulders, of course. So we go down in a plank position. Body straight. All focus here. Back straight. Don't hunch up or down. Absolutely straight. And from this position, we go into the push-ups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So right hand up. So we are in the plank position. Right up, right down, left down. And next time we can go from left side. So left up, left down, right down. So we go fast now. If you want a little advance, you can also do on the knuckles. So knuckle. 30 seconds plank push-ups. And then again pause for 30 seconds. Nice. So after plank push-ups, we are again getting onto the legs. So this is something called, or let's call them switch lunges. So a lot of people know lunges, which are basic movement, but we are doing the switch lunges. So what we are doing is take a right leg back, we'll jump, close the feet, and then get back to the same position. So jump, close, and same position. So we'll do this for 30 seconds. And you can do normal breathing, no problem. When you get the legs closed, breathe in, and when you open it up, breathe out. Seconds. We take a 30-second pause. This 30-second, we are again engaging the core. So let's go up. Raise your legs up, and we'll touch our toes and come back. So keep your knees nice and straight. Legs tight, and go up. Every time you go up, breathe out. "30 seconds, and then take a 30-second pause. Take a sip of water if you want. So we are in the last 2 exercises of this workout, and we want to stretch while working out. So now these 2 will involve a lot of back stretches as well. So we go into a mountain position, which is keep your knees straight, and remember to touch your heel also, not just toes. Not this. Touch your heel on ground. Go. Get your head as close to ground as possible, and from here we get into cobra. Nice and up, knees above, look up. Mountain, cobra. Mountain, cobra. If you want a little advance, from mountain you can do a push-up and cobra. "30 seconds, and then take a pause. So here we are in the last exercise for this workout, and this is gonna be a good stretch as well as a test of strength. So we're gonna do 30 seconds of Superman. The target is 30 seconds non-stop Superman. However, if you can't do it, take a pause and immediately come back. I'll show you both. So let's go, 30 seconds. Your legs up and your arms stretched and up. 3, 2, 1, and go. You can breathe however you want, slow and easy. If you can't hold continuously, you can just relax and again come on. I hope you enjoyed this 15-second high intensity calorie burner. So stay safe and stay fit. I'm Shikhar.